This is Brickhead Boy Toy Reviews. I got this at Amazon.com for about $17 or $18. I think it was $17.50. First time ever to review laser pegs, and this is Mission Mars Rover. 3 LED lights, 200 pieces, 7 and up, and there's your 2 minifigures. Let's check this out. The front, it does light up. Sweet, like that. So let's check out the back. Back of the box includes other sets as well. You have a spaceship, another land vehicle, and looks like a mission control, along with the rocket. So let's open this up and see how these are. So it appears you have somewhat of a reusable box. Here's your bags. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4 smaller bags there, and your instruction book. Inside the instruction book are stickers and some other instructions. Anyways, let's do it. And here is the Rover complete. So there's your Rover, 2 minifigures, and a few things for the Rover with a radar dish and some accessories which I did not take out. So it's a shovel, hammer, drill, shears, and some other miscellaneous stuff like an axe. And your leftover stickers. Going through the instruction book, I couldn't find where these go, so these are definitely extras. And your extra pieces as well. This one here is in the inventory of pieces, but it's not being used for the set for some reason. I don't know why. This one here is actually a mistake. I'm not supposed to have this because instead of receiving this, I was missing one of these pieces. I got an extra one of these. So what I end up doing is using a Lego piece of this in the blue color, because Lego rarely has this in black. Well, since we're here, let's take a look at the instruction book. Initially, the instructions were kind of hard to follow at first because you couldn't tell what colors things were. Like for instance, that looks white, but they're actually clear color. And then you have this, which is supposed to be the frost color, and this is clear color. So on the set, there's the frost color, and that's the clear color. So like I said, at first it's tricky, but you get used to it. This is regular white. This one here is clear, and this is frost. Anyways, let's take a look at the figures and the other stuff as well. First off, it's a satellite dish, nothing really special. You have a clear piece and some gray. Nothing too exciting. Here are the minifigures. There's no back printing, but they do have the knees which can bend, which is really cool, and the hips can rotate as well. Same exact torso printing, and this is the cool part. The switch is on the side, and according to these miniature instructions, they are replaceable, the batteries, so if you run out, you could just buy more. That's pretty cool. And here is the Rover with 6 flat tires, round and skinny. It looks pretty decent. It reminds me of one of the Mega Bloks space sets released a few years ago. There's a little flaw here. You can see that these things are sticking out a little bit because the rubber band is pulling it. This does have a little bit of suspension, so these can go up and down, and then the back has that. It reminds me so much about the Oxford monster truck 4x4 I did a review on. Very similar, the way the suspension works on the back. Anyways, so stickers include, or on here, the solar panels. Those are stickered on the sides as well, and unfortunately this sticker goes over multiple pieces, 3 inverted slopes, and there you also have a sticker as well, and stickers on top of these canisters. Not sure what these are, supposed to be fuel or other things as well, but on the sides of the vehicle you have these that can open up, and use your imagination. I'm not sure what those are supposed to be either. On top there's, I guess that's an antenna, and I like the cockpit. It looks really cool. Open it up and you do have a steering wheel and a place to sit your minifigure. Even with the minifigure's bendable knees, it's still pretty easy to put it on the studs. Not much of a challenge. Unfortunately on the back it's exposed, there's no door, but it's okay. And one last thing I want to show you is the main feature. Here's what the set looks like with both the light bricks turned on. There's one in the front, it shines out, and then one in the back right here. So the switch is right here for the back and the front. Switch is right there. So it looks really nice. I like this. I like it a lot. So lights back on. Let's conclude this review. So let's recap. Amazon.com. This retails for $30 and I got it for $17. And the bricks feel a little hard. I was putting on some bricks as I was building it, and the clutch is really good. And let's take a look here. Wonder if laser pegs, light of your imagination. I wonder who makes laser pegs. Aha! Oxford. So, what a surprise. I like it actually. Now I know Oxford makes this, I feel more confident. I want to get more sets, and I know there's the monster truck series that I've seen online. I plan to get those. As far as space, the Mars, Mission Mars, I might get more, I'm not sure, but so far I'm impressed. Good price for, I got it for what, 17, and yeah, I say it's worth it. So if you like what you saw in this review, check this out, purchase it. It's awesome. Light system. This Brickhead Boy. Thanks for watching.